Today we are going to make a gift box from paper folding. The material we need including scissors, tape or ruler, pencil, and some type of glue stick or tape, or if you have double sticky tape it will be nice too. You don't need all of them, you just need one of them. And the paper, any paper will do, but with the gift box a thicker one will be more sturdy. I have 65-pound cardstock, and this is a pretty blue-green color. You can use any color. This is just 8.5 by 11. It's about A4 size, the regular standard copy paper size. First, I find the center point of the paper by using the ruler diagonally crossing. I have it marked a little bit here, it's hard to see. And I'm going to make the 2" by 2" box as a button. So I'm going to mark 2 inches and 2 inches. And just draw the parallel line. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's what it looks like, 2" square. Now we have to decide the height of the box. I'm going to just use 1 inch height. So we'll have 1 inch on 4 sides. Measure 1 inch. Now that's the height of the box. And next we connect between those two heights. We just connect it so it becomes a triangle. That's what it looks like. We are going to fold between the triangle. You can draw the lines too, or you don't need it here. So you can see where is the folding line. It's just from the center. I draw the dotted line. That's what it looks like. That's the folding line in the triangle. And the next part we are going to do the top of the box, the kind of the cover, and I wanted the same dimension as the middle, the bottom part, so they can overlap. So I have 2 by 2. I'm going to have 2 by 2 box on each side. Now that's what it looks like. The next, I'm going to make the top of the box a circular shape. So from the half of the box, the 1 inch here and 1 inch here, I'm going to draw a circle or a semicircle. And it's the same on 4 of the flaps on the top. So I measure 1 inch. That's a 1 inch mark. That's a 1 inch. If you have tools, you can use a circular shape to make the circle line, or you can just eyeball it. That's what it looks like. And I also want to have a line here, so we can cut it open and we can put it together later. So that's our template. I'm going to cut out the outline And then after the first one, you can just copy the same template again and again. So this is what it looks like. Cut a slit on 4 of the top. And now we are starting to fold. I will fold all the lines. That's the bottom. And we are going to fold the triangle line, the one in the middle. And the easier way is to fold like that. You see? You just fold like that. You can do it this way. Okay, now we fold the triangles in. Now it looks like a box. And we just have to tape it or glue it. It's up to you how you want to do it. You can do it this way. Both of them go in, one into the center, and the other side do the same. Triangle point to the center, so it's symmetrical on opposite side. Or you can do it all the same direction. It's up to you. I found my double-sided tape, so I'm just going to use this to tape up the corners. Just need a little bit for every corner. So each corner has 2 tapes. I have one taped to that wall, and I'm going to tape another one from the outside. So that's what it looks like after I tape the corner using 2 double-sided tape on each corner. Now I'm going to fold the line here. You can fold it beforehand too. That's what it looks like. The last part is just to put the 2 pieces of the flap together, go through the slit, open up the slit, the 2 cut line, and just overlap. That's how it looks like. And we do the same on the other one. It doesn't matter which side on the top, which side on the bottom. Now that's it. That's the finished box. If you want, you can fold it and make it look nicer. Fold it either, you can fold it any way you want, or you can put a sticker or put a ribbon or something, or you can also punch a hole like that, so you can tie a ribbon through it. That will look pretty neat too. So that's a very simple gift box you can make at home. And if you use bigger paper, you can make a big one. And you can change the dimension too. If you want to make the bottom bigger, you just draw a bigger one, and then you decide the height. You can make it as high as you want, the second layer. And then the top piece will be the same as the bottom piece. And you can change the shape on the top if you want. And that's how it looks. You can put in your candy or a little present for party. If you do this at home, it saves money because all the gift boxes are expensive if you buy it. And then once people open it, they usually throw it away, and that's wasted. So I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. And if you like it, let me know. I can do more of this type of DIY in the future. Thank you for watching.